there is absolutely no doubt that the Prophet did not die a natural death. He died a martyr, and this is the bitter truth. We have sufficient proof from within the books of the Khassa and the Amma that indicate that the two wives of Rasulullah, Aisha and Hafsa, were responsible for poisoning Rasulullah. The manner in which Rasulullah was forcefully fed this unknown substance as per the attestation of the books from the Mukhalifin, and how he was refused the paper and the pen, and as soon as his soul left his body, the Saqifa takes place and the rights of Amir al-Mu'mineen are usurped. And you look at everything in its entirety, you put the pieces of the puzzle together like in a jigsaw. Evidence is very clear